Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today I have something really cool. I have a dragon fruit. Look how beautiful this fruit is. If you've seen one of these fruits before, let me know down below in the comments, or even better yet, if you've tried one. What was your experience? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What was your thoughts? So today I am going to review a dragon fruit. So I have no idea how to even open this thing. I don't know if you peel it or what, but anyways, I'll just cut it in half and we'll take it from there. It's very soft in the middle. Wow, look at that. How exotic does that look? Wow. It looks delicious. The color contrast is so different. Anyways, let's give it a try. I'm going to cut this as if I'm cutting an orange. That didn't work very good. Oh, that's perfect, actually. Look, that's a perfect amount. Okay, so let's give this a try. Actually, it doesn't really smell much, you know. It doesn't have a smell, really. There's no smell to it. I can't really taste nothing with that. I need more. Okay, that's a bigger slice. Look at that. It's so juicy. It's very nice, actually. The first time, I couldn't actually taste anything. But now that I have more, I can taste it much more. Very nice. This is perfect for summertime. The texture of the seeds as well. It's so nice in your mouth. It's really nice. I can't even explain it. It's got like a type of crunch, but it's not crunchy. But it's got that kind of feel with the little seeds. And it's just so juicy. It's like the texture is almost similar to like a very ripe banana, and then with some chia seeds added in it. But like a very ripe, soft banana with chia seeds in it. Can you imagine that? That's kind of what it's like, but obviously it doesn't taste like banana. It's really good. Wow, you could eat lots of this. Never get tired of it. Well, that's all from me, Maverick Lee. I hope you enjoyed this review of the one and only exotic dragon fruit. This is a must try for all if you have not already tried it before. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, like the video because it helps with all the algorithms and all that. And don't forget, check out my other videos on my channel for more content just like this.